Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we will show you how to remove and replace camshaft adjusters guys on BMW 5 Series F10 guys. If you have one guys, good news, we'll have more than 200 to 300 videos on this car and more than 200 videos on every single car we get at the shop. Why we guys do all that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can by teaching you guys how to fix your car for free and provide all these videos for free. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys. Now, if you need to buy a replacement camshaft adjuster, we'll have the links in the description of the video below. You can also find the tools that we use listed there as well. Now, another thing guys, you have two of them, one on the intake camshaft, one on the exhaust side. We'll explain about each one of them, what needs to be done. So that's what we'll be doing today guys. In the meantime, we'll be doing a timing chain replacement on that engine because timing chain failed, so we'll be taking the engine apart, and that's why we'll be making a few videos guys how to fix things while we go. So let's go ahead, start on it and show you what needs to be done now. So as you can see, the only thing missing right here now is the engine air filter box assembly with the holes. Why? Because we'll be putting a new timing chain guys. As you know, this is a very weak spot on that engine, and we'll have the whole video from start to finish how to remove and how to replace the timing chain. So now on the back side guys, right here, you need to disconnect these two hoses with a clip removal tool. Two of them are broken, the clips are broken right here, somebody broke them in the past, two are still good. Now right here we have a vacuum guys, vacuum line. Let me show you this vacuum line right here that you need to grab, right here, and slide out. Careful not to break it. Now when you lift it up, you're going to have another vacuum line that you have to be extremely careful. Grab it gently up, then slide out. And right here, this is the vacuum line that we need to disconnect guys. Underneath, so push in here now. Push in here and disconnect. You can see you have two spots on it that you press in, one on this side, one on this. So squish in, pull it out. Now you can see the cover, you can simply pull it out. On the back side, these two teeth guys, they go all the way right here. When you install it, it's important to get them in. Another thing guys, on the front, you have two bow clips, one here, one over there, that attach guys to the front side of the engine over here. And you have a third one right there, which is actually located all the way to the engine computer. So those are all the clips guys, and that's how you remove it. Careful here with vacuum lines, later you have to connect everything, otherwise your car will not perform right and you may get a code for a vacuum leak, turbo problems, because that's the turbo vacuum boost solenoid guys. So now let us show you guys what you need to do to remove and replace camshaft adjuster. You have two of them guys, one on the intake side, one on the exhaust side. So how you know what's intake side? Looking at the engine guys, this is your intake manifold here. So your intake camshaft adjuster will be this one right here. The exhaust will be towards the exhaust valve. It will be on the exhaust valve on the exhaust side. So this is the exhaust one. Now if you have a code for intake, that's the one you remove and replace. If you have code for exhaust, this is the one right there guys. Now how you remove and replace that thing? First we need to remove that wiring harness, that clip from here, so we can gently pull it out. Perfect, so we get all that room. Next, right here, you push down there and disconnect the wire guys. What we need to do, we need female Torx guys. We'll have all the tools that we use in the description of the video below, so you can check out you can check out where you can get it from. So we will go ahead, remove the screws now. One is out. Now we're working on the second one. Perfect. And this thing guys, don't turn it or anything like that, just grab it. You may leak oil out, just grab it guys, and pull it out. And this is right here, your camshaft adjuster out of the way. Now the exhaust side, removing the exhaust side is practically the same way as this one. So that's how you guys remove a camshaft adjuster. As I said, exhaust side is the same way. If you need to purchase a new one guys, we'll have the links part numbers and all that shared in the description of the video below for your convenience, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to do that repair. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.